Okay, so you guys showed up. Let me get my equipment on here. You're back from your cleaning, and now we got to do a follow-up test. We got a, free test. I see you got your certificate of cleanse, so I think I can do you first, right? You put your certificate over here, save that, hold on to that. What do you mean? Oh, yeah, your hand's over here. Oh, okay. Your hand can hang on to that. No problem. Now we're going to secure you a little. This is just for your own safety. You just got to do a couple of wraps. Just in case anything starts shaking. I don't know. Okay, move that back in there. All right. Now we usually have the little guys here. Let me take these off here. This is all nurse. We're running a little low on the swabs. This I think you need a little bigger variety. What do I got? I got this. Let's take a look in here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's you got quite a nostril there. I think we better go. That might be for this guy. So we got this size. How would that work? That could go in there. Yeah. Or I think we ought to go right on up to the good size here. What do we got here? Yeah. Yeah, we got to do a sure test, We got to be safe. All right, where do I got here? Yeah, got your nostril there. Yeah. Yeah. You okay? No, hang on. It's all right. Yeah. You're twisting around a little. Yeah. Yeah. You okay? Okay, let's see what we got. Whoa, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, get out of there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks pretty good. Let's throw that on you. Throw that in the sample bag. Yeah. Zip that up. Where's my pen here? Your number 22. Okay. Put that on for testing. Send that to the lab. Gotta be back in it. You okay there, buddy? Yeah, I'll cut you loose in a minute. Whose turn is it next? Maybe you? You got kind of a, we're gonna have to switch, let's see what that nostril size is there. I might have to, I wonder if I should expand that a little. Where's my forceps here? Let's see here. You just hang on a minute. Just put your, I know, yeah, your hands over there. Let's see what we can do here. All right. Let me just swab that a little bit. Yeah, I think that'll be a good place. I think we're gonna have to put you over into his chair. Get rid of that. Let me take you over here. Oh, hey, and that's right. You forgot. You can get your free smoothie while you wait. See, you're gonna have to take these off, I think. Just put those over there. Let me get. Yeah, look at this baby, huh? See, that's gonna go all the way up in there. Boy, I hope we got enough room here. All right, I'm gonna have to get a little run at it, I think. Okay, you ready? I think you ought to close your eyes for this. In fact, you know what? I think I'm gonna close my eyes too. That'll be better. Whoop! Lit right on a napkin. Yeah, it's always better when you can't really see what you're doing, and then you don't get so queasy. Okay, 2, 3, 1, go! Yeah! 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 Is it up in there? I can't take. Oh yeah. A little. Yeah. There we are. There we are. Come on up. Come on. It's almost over. Yeah. There you are. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. Yeah. That's got a little goober on it. Okay, send that right out to the lab. It's somewhere over there. Okay, but on you, since you got that mask, instead of going up, we can suck it down. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Perfect. Ah, no, that's good. That's special sample bottle. Okay, take that away. Okay. And clean that off a little. Next guy. Anyway, I think you're done. So yeah, the results ought to be back, in about a week. Boy, I'm gonna take advantage of this. Gonna go have a smoothie. Boy, get a little of this, clean up, our friend. Yeah. Woo. Oh boy, that's nice. Nice stuff.